The Qi Rocket hairdryer is Qi's super dryer. With 1800 watts of power, Qi Rocket will give you maximum airflow and faster drying time. Starting with clean hair, apply a dime-size amount of Qi Silk infusion from roots to ends. Next, lightly rough dry your hair until it is 50% dry. Using Qi clips, section your hair into 3 sections. The first section is at the crown, the second from ear to ear, and the third is the remaining hair. Using your favorite Qi brush, grab a small subsection and place the brush underneath. Turn the dryer on and blow dry the section slowly, holding the nozzle at a 45-degree angle. This will ensure maximum smoothness and faster drying. Continue around the head, moving up the sections. Once completely dry, style as usual using your favorite Qi products and tools. To learn more about Qi, visit Farouk.com.